Hello everyone. In this course we will going to see the track of sophomore from learnweb3.io. So let's start it and see what it offers. Okay. So sophomore explore the web3 world further, learn about gas mining and how proof of work works, and build full dApps within tokens, DeFi, DAOs and NFT fields. Now, these are the topics. These are 13 topics that we will going to cover in it. First, intro to React and Next.js. Then, what is gas and why we need it, and what is mining and why it is done. How does proof of work works? Digging into Ethereum virtual machine, advanced or syntax and concepts, providers, singers, API, support flows, build a full USD app, build a full NFT collection, launch your initial coin offering, build your own full on-chain TOA to invest in NFT, intro and deep dive into decentralized exchanges, build your own decentralized exchange like Uniswap. So yes, this is pretty lengthy course and some section are taking from 8 to 12 hours. Okay, so we'll try to uh, short it down. We will most probably skip the theories and comes on to the practical. So let's start it. Let's see